Hello everyone, welcome back. Again, using a stream, one more use case. And this time the use case is, so for example, I have this list and what I want to do, I want to just print just the double of these values. So for example, I want to print 4, 6, 8, 2 and so on. Okay, so how can I do it? Again, I will take my integers dot, first I will convert it to stream. Whenever we have this list, we will first convert it to stream. Yeah, and I just want to make the double. Yeah, so we have a method called map. I will just write map, and what I want to do, the number what I have, I'll just again use the lambda expression here. So I'll say number is equal to number into 2. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking each item of the list, which is 2, 3, 4 and so on. I'm first making it double, returning into number. So this is how I'm collecting into map, and then finally I want to print it, right? So I'll just again use the for each method, and I will say system dot out, and using method reference, the println method, semicolon, let's run it. And yeah, we are getting 4, 6, 8, just the double. If you want to maybe make a square of it, I mean square will be number into number, or cube will be number into number into number. So just again, I'm just using the map function. I'm getting it. For example, I want to double only those values which are even. Okay, so what I want to do, I just first I want to take only even numbers. In my case, it will be 2, 4, 2, 8, 6 and so on. And then I want to print the double of that number. So what I should do, just think of it. Before applying map, I want to just filter it. So yeah, so here first we are converting it to stream, and then we are applying filter. So it will be applicable only for 2, 4, 2 and so on. So for example, first I have 2. What I want to do is multiplied by 2. It will be 4. The second will be 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Then 1 and so on. So that's it. Let's continue. We'll learn more operations. How can we use stream? Thank you so much.